Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be talking about connecting MongoDB to a Next.js app using Prisma, and we shall be using a documentation provided by Thesis Hub called Thesis Hub Docs. So we shall say Thesis Hub Docs, that is it. It is very good. The Thesis Hub Docs, it is very good. So npm run live, run our app. So run it. As it is running, we shall go back to our Thesis Hub Docs. We check it out. What will be our first step? Our first step will be installing both Prisma and Prisma client. As you see right here, our app is done. As you see, this is the only thing I have in my app. So we have been told to install Prisma and Prisma client. We can use this link right here, npm install Prisma at Prisma stroke client. We copy it, we bring it in our app. Okay, paste it here, we run it. As it is running and installing both Prisma and Prisma client, here they are telling us to generate a Prisma schema, but before it we need to initiate it. So to initiate Prisma, we are going to use MongoDB. You can use any database you take out. We have installed it successfully, so we need to go to our MongoDB to get the connection link as usual. MongoDB get the connection link we need. So I will sign in. If you have no account, you can sign up, try it for free. So we go to, I will sign in, login. So I have this name specifically made for this video. It's called Prisma Pro. I just created this DB for specifically this video. After I will delete it. So we are going to get the connection link. Shall say connect, then we shall add that. So we shall open with connect MongoDB with this. So we get this connection link. We save it somewhere in our app. We shall be using it later. I will save it somewhere here in a commented format. I will put here the password that I used. So yeah, the name of the DB will be YouTube. Okay, so you see our Prisma and Prisma client are done. So we shall go back to our next step. Our next step will be initiating Prisma. We shall specify it to MongoDB, as you see right here. So we come here, clear this. So it's a npx Prisma init data source provider to be MongoDB. Okay, wait for it to install some things. So you see it is done. It has installed this Prisma schema Prisma. We have this dp env. I think it has downloaded env. So remember, we copied our string, so we shall bring our string to this URL here, database URL here. So remember, we put it this way. We shall cut it, X, we shall cut it and bring it here, paste it here, Ctrl V. So once we are done with that, so once we are done with that, so what will be our next step? We are done with this. We are done with that. So create a Prisma schema. Before that we can create a Prisma global instance. Before that, so we shall create this Prisma global instance. We shall copy it there. So we can create our new folder and call it lib. So inside our lib, we create a file called db database.ts. We paste our copied content here. We paste it here. So we change this to database db, also this to db. Right, once we are done, so now we can create our Prisma schema. Now it is well. So now we can create our models. After creating an instance, we are going to create our models right now. So we come here, choose any model you want, or you can create it by your own, as you see here. Since this is just for educational purposes, I will take any here. Ctrl C, we copy it, we come, to our schema.prisma. We paste it here. So this I don't need it. I just need some little content right here. Even this I don't need it. I just need a little things from this user ID. No, for me I will just put, I will change this, let's say, to a model called product. Then I will take its ID, I will take its name or title, known as title, to be in form of a string. Then I'll also take its price. It's what? Its price. So after this, creating the model, we need to create the data types for each of those. So we shall come here, create a new folder. We shall create a new folder known as types. Inside it we shall put a new file called product.ts. So in this we shall write the types of the data types of our own. So we shall say export type, then we write the name of the object, which is product, will be equals, inside here we write the data types. We have the title, the data type for the title. Our type for the title is string, comma, the data type for the ID, which is also a string, data type for the price, which is string, which is a number. So in this, in Prisma we don't have number, but instead it's called int. The data type for it's called int, like that. This means number in our usual data types. In Prisma they understand int. So after creating this, we are done creating our data type. So we shall generate. After, we shall say npx prisma generate. So as we wait for it, so it has generated all that. You see it's instructing us, as you know. After generating, it is telling us generated Prisma client, start using Prisma client in Node, import. So for us, we already done it, we have it already, this. So this is the Prisma instance, we have it. Now after doing that, so we shall push Prisma db push, sorry for that, it is npx Prisma db push, So it will ask you Windows Defender what to bring this pop-up. You just allow it, allow access. So now we have created a connection between our DB and our so now to test it, we shall run a command for displaying the studio, or displaying these models, the models we have created. So we shall say npx Prisma Studio. We check if so it is telling us Prisma Studio is up on that, so it has opened it. So you see we have our model called the product. There is nothing in it. So when we open it, we have our records, we have this ID, title and price. It means, finally we have connected our MongoDB to our app successfully using Prisma. I will be posting performing CRUD in Prisma soon, so subscribe the notification immediately that video is posted. Thank you.